Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Acer 16GB RAM kit, specifically designed for the Acer Aspire X3950. If you're looking to breathe new life into your older desktop, upgrading the RAM is one of the most effective ways to do it. This kit comes with four 4GB DDR3 DIMM modules, totaling 16GB. The ATEC modules run at 1,333 MHz with a PC3-10600U rating. They are NONECC unbuffered UDIMMs, which is exactly what the Acer Aspire X3950 needs. They're dual-ranked, 2RX8, and operate at the standard JEDEC DDR3 voltage of 1.5V, ensuring compatibility and stability. Installation is straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process you can do at home. Of course, always refer to your system's manual for the correct seating and channel configuration. The Acer Aspire X3950's manual will guide you on the proper way to install the RAM for optimal performance. The difference after installing this RAM kit is noticeable. Expect faster loading times for your applications, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier system. If you've been experiencing slowdowns or lag, especially when running multiple programs or having many browser tabs open, this upgrade should provide a significant boost. ATEC also puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This ensures that you're getting dependable and reliable performance. Plus, it's backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind. They also have a tech support team available to assist you before and after your purchase, which is a great bonus. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve the performance of your Acer Aspire X3950, the ATEC 16GB RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.